Okay, so we're sat in the brand new Ford Ranger 2019 onwards, the facelift one that's replaced the outgoing 16 to 19 model. And what we're going to show you here is the Predator 30-inch light bar with a Grille integration. We just want to show you how powerful this 30-inch light bar is from Predator. So at the moment you're looking at the standard headlights on the Ford Ranger. We're on a piece of road that's 150 yards long, or 150 meters thereabouts. So that's the standard lights, and this is the Predator integration. So what a difference that is. So that tree straight away and down the road there is about 150 meters away. So standard lights, you can't even see it. Predator, what a difference that makes. These are fantastic. I'll just get out the car and I'll show you it on, just to show you how bright it is. You can't really look at it, but let's go and try and have a look. See what you think. That just shows you how bright it is. I can hardly even look at that. In fact, I can't even look at it without squinting. So sideways on, you might get the idea. That's it. How cool is that? For more info, click the link below or see 4x4at.com. Thanks for watching.